All right, here is John Murphy's demo derby cars. He's doing the last couple minutes of touch-up, wiring the hood down, smiling down to the camera. It's going to be part of the video documentary as John makes it to the championship this year. Give a nice view all the way around of the car for everybody so we can see what it looks like before. Come up the ramp and do a little inside view. Yeah. The inside of his car. All John's handiwork. Protective screen.
The younger one.
Oh, okay.
And good luck, John. We're taping the whole thing. Break a leg.
Good, you gonna. I'm glad you're taping because send it to people.
I'll burn it onto a DVD for you if you want.
There's a step down right here.
Yeah, I was just trying to get the front of the car. And that's a wrap for part one.
Harness racing today, all kinds of things happening. Come on out, enjoy all the buildings, get yourself a ride.
Oh, that was worse. Don't worry about it.
Wait, let me see.
And the number 6, Troy Wolf. 63, Thomas Connor. And the number 28, Lorenza Brown.
Try that one.
And in the number 60, Keith Dorsey. Those will be your competitors out here for heat number 2.
Nope.
Did that work, hon?
No, don't worry about it.
Please try and get pictures. Try all the settings.
I
I've
wanna
got 100
watch.
cameras. Just keep switching the dial to different settings.
Looks like we missed a light, huh?